Other new arrival is the 1956 Chevrolet 150 two-door sedan in Matador red and India ivory, which is a great color combination on these.
Striking.
Over red and white interior. And it's a 150, so what a lot of people do with these, so in the Tri-5 Chevy, 1955, 56, and 57, there was a 150, a 210, and a Bel Air.
Right.
And they were all looked somewhat similar. They just had varying degrees of trim and extra chrome and extra parts and bigger engines. So a lot of these guys, when they resto mod, which is what this car is, they take a 150. So they don't ruin a good Bel Air, which was the kind of the top. Well, kind of. It was the top of the line in the Tri-5 Chevy world. This one's got a 383 stroker V8, 653 miles since built, turbo hydromatic 400 3-speed automatic. Got the classic Tri-5 look with the modern resto mod, if you will, reliability and a little bit of power. That 383 stroker.
I bet
Those are quite the motor.
Well, and the cheaper Chevys then are cheaper now. If you're trying to buy a Bel Air, but you still want to resto mod it or modernize it,
you buy the 150 or the 210. You know,